Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and the same person I'm helping with the video from last night was having trouble. I'm going to delete that. Well, take it back. Let's put this where it was, and I'm going to be a little bit messed up because of the fact that it's been moved. So let's Control G and group all that together and kind of put it close to that hairline where you wanted the plank to begin with. Let's change our nudge distance to 0.001 and let's nudge this thing over. And see, we're nudging the outline, so you need to go to Arrange, Order, put back a page, and then when you grab this, you will not move that outline. And we need to get it pretty close. And that's probably dead on. Now let's set our nudge distance on 5 inches and let's nudge this up. This line should be good to go now because it's a hairline, but I want to show you. Let's just say that wasn't a hairline. I can't remember if I just got through doing it or not. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to nudge it over. Let's go to Ungroup and let's see if we can't grab all the gray and nudge it over. Go up and select it all, ungroup or break curve apart, make an outline, create a boundary. Let's nudge it up and let's put no fill. And here's your problem, it's black 500 point. He said it wouldn't cut. We need to change that to a hairline, and I would change it to red, just so you'll recognize that it's a hairline and a cut line. And hit OK. So now you have a cut line, and with your nudge distance, you can put it exactly back where it was. I'm hoping that's what you were wanting. And we can get rid of these two. We do not need them anymore. And you were going to engrave this on another piece of wood. So if you wanted to cut that out, you could Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it up. Now that will engrave and cut on a piece of wood. And I would just check it to make sure there's no hairlines in that by going to Ungroup and just kind of checking. And I don't really see any, there's some 500 points line, but no hairlines. But to play it safe, there's a way around that. I'm going to group this together. So you could cut this out, and it'll be the same thing as last night. We need to go to, see where I had that black box. Make a black box on another Corel, copy it, go back to your deal, right-click, paste. Of course, I made it way too big, but you can go to Arrange, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. So now you have a engravable part, and I would go ahead and take away by right-clicking the hairline. That will engrave, and it'll be the exact same size as this cut out. Now, Jason, if you're going to cut this out, I would always do this. If you done out for sure there's no cut lines in there, I would move this out, engrave it, and then just select that to cut it out. Move your graphic off the deal in case there's some hairlines there. And you can do that inside of Corel, the print driver, just by going to right here, go to selection, and it will only engrave that part that's selected, or only cut that part that's selected, even if that wasn't in there. So you could actually move this, keep this where it was. If you could select that outline and you can see it's a hairline, just go to print, selection. Let me see if I got the preview window, and it's in a different spot because my laser bed set at 26 inches. But you can see that that's the only thing that is going to cut through a preview window. So this should be good to go. I'm actually going to send you this file, and if you set your nudge distance on 3 inch or 5 inches, well, it doesn't really matter. But this should engrave, and you can engrave it at 50 power and 100 speed and get to the depth you need for this piece of wood. If it's not quite deep enough, engrave it again. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.